Today, I'll explain Delaware LLCs and answer the big question. Is Delaware really the best for privacy and low taxes? Delaware is one of the most business-friendly states in the US. Over half of US corporations are registered there because of simple laws and strong legal protections. Delaware offers high privacy for LLC owners. You do not need to list members or managers publicly. Only a registered agent is required, which helps keep your name off public records. Delaware has no state sales tax. If your LLC does not operate in Delaware, you pay no Delaware state income tax. However, there is an annual franchise tax. For LLCs, usually a flat fee. Federal taxes still apply. Delaware has a special business court called the Court of Chancery. It's fast, predictable, and favorable for companies. This makes Delaware attractive for startups, investors, and online businesses. Delaware is best for online businesses, startups seeking investors, and owners who want privacy. It's not ideal if you run a local physical business in another state because you'll need foreign registration. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.